accept attempt to impinge upon Manipur's territorial integrity, says NIPCO. No adequate infrastructure assigned members for Manipur Juvenile Board, says Justice Nobin. And security forces seize WY tablets worth Rs 59 lakh along Imphal-More Road. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Loving. Now let's have the news in details. The 19th Manipur Integrity and Solidarity Day 2019 was observed today at lamjingbatomtv in Palace Compound, Imphal. The observance was jointly organized by Apunba Manipur Kanba Ima Lup and National Identity Protection Committee, NIPCO. President of NIPCO, T.H. Manihar, President of United Committee Manipur UCM, Sunil Karam, Advisor of Komram Union, L. Kupler Kom, President of Aimol Tribe Union, R.T. Akhil Aimol, Chairman of Haumi Research Guild, Robin Singlai, and several others were present at the event. Addressing the gathering, T.H. Manihar said that we will not accept any demand or attempt wherein a particular community or an individual is allowed to impinge upon the territorial integrity of the state. He maintained that AMKIL and NIPCO were formed to face the challenge or threat to Manipur and its people that came up in the aftermath of the Naga ceasefire agreement that was signed on July 25, 1997 between the Government of India and NSC and IM. NIPCO President Manihar further said that the Manipur Integrity and Solidarity Day is observed every year to mark the day when more than 7 lakh people took out a mass rally in the capital, Imphal, in 2000, conveying a strong message to the masses for protection of the state territorial integrity.
Manipur Manipur gi apun bagi saktam thugai be or habegi wakhalon da chatkiba adugumba India government amadi NSN IM gi mathak ta chatkiba protest haukiba adugumba khongchel adubu ningsang dona ikhoina matude yaukiba amadi Manipur kangiba miyam sing dubu ningsing boina khoina chuma khoide solidarity bibagi haiba khoigi ngasigi function la si observation si tawjebani.
On the other hand, President of AMKIL P.H. Saki underlined the need for every individual in the state, regardless of caste, creed and color, to work unitedly to preserve and protect the integrity of Manipur.
Nipanda AMKIL form tawre taragom doinda niko tawre National Identity Protection Committee harami matam to dawsikta council haibani aduna anisi khusamna jaraga 28th September haidana short rally do adu ngasi si amu hanna tawjabani aduga AMKIL gi mel en objective kadino haijaba taragadi irai pak khunai gi damakta amadi Manipur gi ngamkhai gi damakta mafam matam jarabadi thawai phau kathokwa haiba wafamsi.
Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR, in collaboration with Manipur State Legal Services Authority, organized a one-day state-level training program for special juvenile police units and ICPS functionaries at the auditorium of Manipur High Court, Imphal, today. Justice K.H. Nobin, judge of Manipur High Court, said even though juvenile board has been set up in 9 districts of the state, there are no proper infrastructure and adequate assigned members for the board. He further said that the center passed the Juvenile Justice Act in 2006. The act gives provision for consultation of a national commission and state commissions for protection of child rights and children's courts for providing speedy trial of offenses against children or of violation of child rights. Justice Nobin further stated that the ACT is yet to be implemented in the state of Manipur. He also said that the 3-day training program is organized to spread awareness about the act.
hay noi posting chapa matam da atopa lower da bi ki targeti nang yo training to ki do kana driver ko ado gadi asai JJV implement to matam da prom se ulai ho ado ai koi police department da request to bani yar gadi mo si loina training to biyo loina training to ngam dragadi training to sing se hang posting to matam da moi mafam do child mari le ba jail to mafam da posting video helps me koi request da.
Meanwhile, Social Welfare Minister Namcha Kipgen, speaking during the event, said child rights are fundamental freedom and the inherent rights of people below the age of 18 years. These rights apply to every child, irrespective of the child's parents, legal guardians' race, color, sex, creed, or other status, she added. Children's rights included the right to health, education, family life, play and recreation, an adequate standard of living, and to be protected from abuse and harm, the minister said.
All of us have a responsibility to do all that we can do to prepare our children for their lives as productive citizens in the future. So let us all nurture and mold our children to make them psychologically, physically, and mentally fit to face this world confidently without any form of atrocities towards them.
A combined team of 12 Assam Rifles and Moray Commando last evening seized 19,700 pieces of WY tablets from one Soni Khongsai, aged 30 years, daughter of Jamkotang Khongsai of Moray Ward No. 9 at Kudengthabi checkpost along Imphal-Moray Road. The contraband drugs were found concealed inside sunflower seed packets brought from Myanmar in a passenger eco van bearing registration number MN05A3569. The seized narcotic is said to be worth Rs 59 lakh in international market. The arrested was handed over to Moray Police Station for further necessary action, a report said. To mark the World Literacy Day 2019, the Lions Club of Imphal Central and Royal Academy of Science, Wangkai, conducted a one-day awareness program for students on anxiety and stress management related to examination at Nongmaibum Nambam Chutek Multipurpose Hall, Imphal East. During the program, Mayang Lambam Gojendra, immediate past District Governor of Lions Club, International District 322D, said that the awareness was held for Standard 10 and 12 students to help them cope with examination stress. He also added that the program will also help them in shaping their careers and a better future.
Youth ki program se maru amna maru oikre maramdi India gumba youth ki population na no gi masing hengalakpa asida koi moi singsigi future gi damukta koi ne yam mun khanba darka oi maramdi moina afaba citizen am oi taragadi next coming 30 to 40 years se afaba India ma afaba Manipur ma soidna oigani maramdi huziki age group se da koi na uri base maximum about 45 to 50% youth singna take over tora baneba.
During the program, a 2-minute silence was observed as a mark of respect to all the departed souls of those who made immense contributions in protecting the integrity of the land. We have a short commercial break now. Do stay tuned. Coming up next, Annual Conference of Indian Association of Pathologists and Microbiologists Northeast Regional Chapter kicks off at Hotel Classic Grand Imphal.
Singi Puariga Sagonaduna Laklaba, Mapam Ama Oiriba, Sagolban Tangapat Ladiba, the Tangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store, Naiha Awa Potafam Ama Oibata Natana, Restaurant Manung the Yaujariba, in-built departmental store da, Adongi household items sing su Pangbiragani. Veg amadi non-veg ki menu items sing na Adongi taste but to satisfy Oheliba menu items sing enjoy to view. Amadi Tangapat ki view enjoy to view. Langston Biraksi, the Tangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store. Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of Lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at Rs 10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our Lamjingba Times office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837-353352 or 9402-991-938.
Welcome back. A two-day annual conference of the Indian Association of Pathologists and Microbiologists Northeast Regional Chapter has kicked off at Hotel Classic Grand, Imphal today. The 30th Annual Conference of NERC IAPM is jointly organized by the Department of Pathology, Microbiology, RIMS, JANIMS and Pathologists Forum, Manipur. Altogether, 200 delegates from across the northeast India took part in the conference held under the theme Soft Tissues Pathology, Morphology to Molecular. Consultant of Asian Institute of Oncology SL Rahija Hospital and Dr. Anita Borges also attended the conference as one of the main resource persons. Organizing Secretary Dr. Sorok Haibam Babina said the conference is held to discuss and share knowledge with the young doctors about the new trends in the field of pathology. She also said the conference provides a good platform for the young doctors.
Soft tissue morphology to molecular si maram sida akoi Mumbai Tata dagi Dr. Anita Maria Borges Subit Gujral PGI dagi Aruna Lokle Chakravarti Delhi dagi Pallavi Gupta adagi akoi gi isagi own product akoi gi Jenims dagi Dr. Arake Banashri moi myam sina loina resource person oiraga ngangi neba.
To commemorate the historic first Legislative Assembly session of Manipur, which was held on October 18, 1948 at Manipur State Darbar, the Committee of Civil Society Kangleipak CCSK will observe the day on October 18 at Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal. This was informed by President of CCSK come 18th October Observation Committee Chairman Jitendra Ningomba today during a press meet at CCSK office Chekon. Jitendra underscored the importance of 18th October 1948, which was the first day in the history of Manipur when leaders from both the hills and valleys sat together to frame the state constitution and safeguard the integrity of Manipur. He also urged the general public to come and attend the event. Convener of 18th October Observation Committee, Sukham Premjit, was also present at the press meet.
Community hall, community wise, Cookie Gusui, Naga Gusui, Mati Pangal Gusui, Smato the whole yam secular over Haidare, Adugumba, Sakar, Sim Kiba, Adugitanzato, a queen sing of Matoktai, Hosi, a quick carito, but I'm not later about Hansing, don't I call Manipur Kaibia, the end later Maga, Hosikimatum, the Quina, Manipureta Writer, and a Logudra, Haibo Pumduni, Adugu, Kaldu Kalaga, Equina, CCSK, a quick Sigi, Torum Numitsi, a observation talk.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯤꯔꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯂꯦꯛꯆꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯀꯜ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯤꯔꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯈꯪ ꯑꯍꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯤꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯀꯜ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯣꯝꯒꯠꯆꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯐꯣꯡꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤ ꯇꯦꯟꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯨꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯋꯤꯗꯤꯟ 1 week ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ.
A fortnight-long tree plantation program in connection with Tarpan observance wrapped up today at Kakching. The program was started on 15th of this month, during which several saplings were distributed to the residents and an awareness program on how to grow the saplings were also held. On the concluding day today, around 450 saplings were distributed to residents of 12 different localities of Kakching. Notably, around 2,500 saplings were distributed by the organizer during the last 15 days. The Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal, in collaboration with ALGLNK Seva Committee, UCHECON, Imphal, is organizing a 5-day festival of Ras Leela on the occasion of 221st death anniversary of Rajashri Bhagyachandra, according to a press release. The press release further stated that the Ras Leela festival will be held from October 1st to 5 at 2 p.m. daily at the Radha Madhav Mandap, UCHECON Laikon Kongba Makha Nandaibam Lekai of Imphal East. MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan and Vice Chairman of JNMDA Professor H. Tombi Singh will grace the inaugural function, while Works Minister T.H. Bishwajit Singh will grace the closing ceremony on October 5th. In connection with the 64th Wildlife Week 2019, the District Forest Officer cum District Wildlife Warden conducted a debating competition on spot painting and quiz competitions at the auditorium of Jiribam Model High School today. The competition was participated by several students of class 6 to 12 from different schools in Jiribam. In this regard, DFO cum DWW Jiribam, CH Ibomcha Singh, told media that the event was held ahead of the 64th Wildlife Week 2019, which falls on October 3. The importance of wildlife and the need for the protection were highlighted to the younger generation through the competitions, he said. The prize distribution function of the competitions is scheduled on October 3. The Primary Health Engineering Division, Taubal, organized an awareness program on banning of single-use plastic under Swachhta Hi Seva campaign today. The program was conducted at 5 different places of Taubal district. Assistant Engineer of Taubal PHED and Raju Singh said every individual has an important role in making the entire India a plastic-free nation. He also appealed to each and everyone to cultivate the good habit of cleanliness and stop throwing of plastic waste and other waste materials into the rivers and lakes. Raju also maintained that water and water bodies should be kept cleaned. As a part of the nationwide Swachhta Hi Seva campaign that began from September 11, which aims to ban single plastic use, a tree plantation cum cleanliness drive program was held today at different locations of Nauria Pakhanglakpa constituency in Imphal West. Talking to media, Pradhan of Lairanjam Gram Panchayat, D. Manglemba, said that a plantation drive and repair work on Merakong River, Lairanjam Road, Sabal were done at his expense. He urged the government to upgrade Lairanjam Mejrao, a model village. On the other hand, Secretary of Lairanjam Soraran Seva Committee, L. Open Singh, lauded the Pradhan, Zila Parishad and ward members for taking up developmental works in the area.
Modern village Oibangambada, Lajariba Lanja Majau Gram Panchayatu, Tubada, Onbangam Nanaba, modern village Oibangam Nanaba Honabada, Tadariba Pansi, Matamchana Tado Pira Harakanda, Mating Pambina.
Matung the Sway, Sumaina program is Satara Taragadi, Sahimanga, Taruki Manus, the Larenjamsi, Awamba, Yamna Pazaba model, village or Kani Habi Tazabis, Yamna Tazaba Malay.
A one-day free medical camp was jointly organized by Voluntary Help Unit Committee, RIMS, All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association, Amoova, and Talo Amoova at Talo Community Hall today. President of Amoova, Yumkhaibam Kunjarani, said that aim of the free camp was to help prevent diseases and spread awareness about healthy lifestyle to the local residents of Telo. She further said Amoova will organize such camps at various parts of Manipur. Around 200 individuals were provided free medical checkup along with free medicines at the camp. Doctors from dermatology, eye, ENT, gynae, surgery, pediatrics, ortho and medicine attended the free camp.
미여버시 거의 나트리게 아거의 라이행 톡대 아더나 호지 레이리바 거의 마탐시다 자리바 신사시다 하리아바 포얀 organic farming 하이라가수 organic이 오이바 그노지 tawdribani나 아거기 아거이나 자리바 신사시다 하리아바 매암 taw나 레이나디나 마야마마 포포시다 거의 야리게 나다나 레이나나바기 판담다 아거이 미암지 마사마 우파나 레이나나바기 아거이나 ngasi medical health campse pangthoksaban.
Another short commercial break now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Nupi ekhoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. Adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudong thiningai atumak oi. Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo. Adubu ngasidi akhoi chingnaningai oidre. Akhoi Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudo.
B Brickfill की क्वालिटी कंट्रोल तौरब चेक सिंग मखल सुना फंगबिरगनी लोइना लोइना कस्टमर सिंग या पाम चेक की क्लास नियम चुमना फंगहननबा अमदी चेक की मसिंग सुना फंगहनबगीदमक चेकोन की अखननबा गाड़ीदा थाजगनी Ngasimak lengsin birau B Brickfill Wangjing Sabal Chekon near Khongjom War Memorial natraga contact tobiu 70051341330 natraga 70055133073.
Welcome back after the break. Manipur Social Audit Agency MSSA today conducted a Gram Sabha for Irong Chesaba Gram Panchayat under the Kakching Community Development Block at Majirul Ulum Irong Chesaba Madrasa. Minute social audit on various activities under MGNREGA for 2018 to 2019 and PMAYG was done. MLA of Wabagai Constituency Fazur Rahim, Uchua Zilla Parishad member Mohammad Fakharuddin and others attended the event. A tree plantation program on the theme Grow the Trees, Save the Environment was held today at the complex of Sports Authority of India, Takilpat, Imphal. The event was organized by Mangal Foundation, wherein former MLA of Shetrigao constituency Th Nanda Kishore Singh, Director of SAI, Manipur Francis Marwin, General Secretary of JDU, Harongbom Rabikanta Meitei, actress Jolly Irungbam and others attended as main guests. As a part of the event, several saplings were planted at the SAI complex. The Congress today announced names of its candidates for the upcoming by-poll to 4 assembly seats in Assam. According to a report, Congress President Sonia Gandhi has approved the proposal for candidates of 4 by-elections to Assam. Party worker Keshav Prasad Rajak has been named as candidate from Ratabari seat, while Samsul Haq has been fielded from Jania constituency. Kartik Kurmi has been given ticket to contest from Rangapari and Sushil Suri has been named as candidate from Sonari seat, said a part leader. By-election was necessitated as Tapan Gogoi, Sonari, Pallab Lonchan Das, Gangapara, and Kripanath Mala Tadabari of BJP respectively won in the 2019 Lok Sabha polls. Jania MLA Abdul Kalak won the Lok Sabha polls from Barpeta and vacated the seat, while Gogoi was Power Minister, Das was Labour Minister. In a significant development, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has assured his Bangladesh counterpart Sheikh Hasina that the National Register of Citizens (NRC) in Assam would have no impact on Bangladesh. Modi gave the assurance at a meeting with Hasina at Lotte New York Palace Hotel on the sidelines of the 74th UN General Assembly yesterday. Bilateral concerns like the issues of NRC in Assam and water sharing of the common rivers, including the Tista, were discussed at the meeting. Raising the NRC issue, Hasina said it has become a matter of great concern for Bangladesh. In his reply, Modi said issues like the NRC and water sharing could be taken care of very easily as the relations between Bangladesh and India were very good. The Prime Minister assured Hasina that Indian officials would work to resolve the issues and said Bangladesh need not worry about it. And now we have the sports news. Manipur cricket team comprising 12 players and 3 officials today left for Nagpur, Maharashtra to participate in the Under-19 27th Junior National Tennis Ball Cricket Championship 2019 to be held from October 2 till 5. The championship is organized by Tennis Ball Cricket Association, Maharashtra, under the supervision of Tennis Ball Cricket Federation of India. The Manipur team was flagged off from Basu Ground, Khangabok, by Dr. K.H. Jugendro, President of Manipur State Tennis Ball Cricket Association. Talking to media, Association General Secretary M. Madhusudan said that this will be the first time Manipur is participating in the championship ever since MST-BCA was recognized by Tennis Ball Cricket Federation of India this year.
Association now form toraga ahan boina national championship asi participate togadabani koi hokiba koi August ki tang kunga tarukta koi trial ma toraga Manipur Pumaki trial Toraga, Haribu Tim Sekoi Kanmani, and Nakoi, Association Maikegi, Association Kunjariva, President Dr. Jugendro, Isamak, the office PR Sina, we check the Tim Sibu, Manipur Gizet Pubiro.
The Indian challenge at Korea Open World Tour Super 500 came to an end after Parupalli Kashyap lost his men's singles semi-final match and straight game to world number 1 and two-time world champion Kento Momota today. Kashyap progressed to the semi-final as the sole Indian left in the competition to face Momota, who he had never defeated in his last 3 meetings with the Japanese. The last time they met was in June 2016. However, Momota only extended his dominance over Kashyap in their 4th meeting with a 21-13, 21-15 win over the Indian. Momota took the first point in the opening game, but former world number 6 Kashyap leveled the game to 2-2. However, Momota soon took the lead with his dominant shot selection and grabbed 4 straight points to make it 5-4 in his favor. And now the headlines once again. Will not accept attempt to impinge upon Manipur's territorial integrity, says NIPCO. No adequate infrastructure assigned members for Manipur Juvenile Board, says Justice Nobin. And security forces seized the blue white tablets worth Rs 59 lakh along Imphal Mori Road. That's the end of the bulletin for the news today at 6:30. Thank you for watching.